Look at her little cigarette.
You look like you have worms. Look at Callie over there trying to go down it.
On your stomach.
And a little bit. You can do it.
I'm gonna do it right here.
Oh my God. You guys are retarded.
Mom.
Oh. Here's Jamie and Callie trying to go. Oh, look at the little dogs.
Stick your feet up.
Watch out, Jamie. She knows how to do it. Sonia. You didn't do it, Sonia.
Oh no.